Hi everyone, I have Makita angle grinder here, and it just makes some sound like trying to start working or something and just not doing anything. So I will try to disassemble it, and maybe I will be able to find what's wrong with it. One screw here. Okay, we can see that this was used in a big humidity. Okay, got it filled out, and yeah, it's all the rust and so on. Okay, but it's moving, so we need to go deeper in the tool. Whew. Just wow. Just wow. Okay. First thing what I think we need to do is to clean it. The switch looks interesting. Okay. So honestly, the first thing is that we need to clean this tool to even see. Maybe we'll find something bad. For tool dirty like this, it can be that it will start work again after cleaning. Yeah, it's really a lot of dust, too much dust, and you can see how all the field looks. That's really not good, and I don't know even when to start. Where to start with this one? Okay, I think I will soak it in the water, and we have the caps, I think, here. Yep, seems to be the capacitors, and it can be that they're bad. Now I don't know that, but I really need to clean this shit, and I think clean this housing. So I need to get some water, and yeah, of course this one not looks really good. Okay, but I will back with it. Now we need to clean all the electronic parts here, and I will be back after cleaning. Okay fellas, finally I'm back with this one, and if it's corroded really badly, I have tried to move it or something, and now it's no point by doing that. And I got a new battery terminal. You can see that the old one have the corroded all the way here, and one of the contacts is corroded. I have the new one, and I hope it will solve the problem. Okay, so now for this one we want to put it into a housing guard thing. Yep, I was opening the switch and try to clean it, but honestly it was so bad, so I don't know. I even cannot sell this think, and no, I think I will just leave it for myself. Okay, this have some corrosion. So it was all the dirt on it, and I don't know where it was working, but that was really not good environment for the tool. Okay, what we have here? We have the controller. Okay, now just need to align everything in the places. Honestly waited for that part for about a month, and then this tool was in my shop, not assembled, I don't know, for 2 or 3 months. Because I even don't want to wash it, to wash the housing, but finally did that. Okay, let's check if it can be fitted here. Yep, looks that I can fit it here. What we have here, can't remember. Okay, everything will go in places they must be. Okay, now we have the terminal, and the terminal will be like that. So okay, the minus is the black one, the middle one is yellow, and the red one is for the positive. Okay, now, yep, seems to get in place. This one will go here. Now for this one, honestly I cannot remember where it was. Just laying inside. Oh, strange. Okay, seems to be here. Ah, okay, be here, and this on-off buttons. Okay, I don't know how it will go because I have pulled out one of the wires. I have soldered it now, but I see if that maybe I am missing the button or something here to switch the grinder on. Okay, but of course we will try to assemble it and test it. We'll just check this one. We have the pin here. And okay. This one will be something like that, I think. Okay. Now I need to take it back a little bit. Okay, I hope that this will be like that. Okay. Now, this one must be turned around. Yep. Now you can see how it looks here, and it seems that I can put the housing on. Okay, now just making sure that the knob is moving, the 4 screws for the head, and see the housing now is good. The armature looks to spin. You can try to hit it a little bit, and now it got in place. And now I will try it with a battery. Okay, the lowest speed. Okay, so now we know that it's working. We can close it. Okay, once again we can try to run it. It's working, that's good. So we have changed the terminal. I don't know what the wire in the controller, maybe I just pushed it too hard, or maybe it was a little bit corroded and just got off the contact. But finally we have repaired it, and now I don't know what to do with it, because I really cannot put it on sale when it looks like that, so I don't know, I will think about that. For now, thank you for watching and meeting you in my next videos. Bye!